Ben Affleck is a good actor. He's good Pearl Harbor.
What was that?
Wait! Don't give this scum the benefit of a quick death, plebeians.
You're right, he doesn't deserve it.
Elder, forgive them, for they do not have beer.
Al Capone. Get him!
Get back here, Capone! Oh, get back here! Capone!
There we'll go. It's up to me now. Dirty some bitches better get off my property.
Hello, Alvin.
Who are you?
It's me, Bugs Moran.
It can't be.
It is. You thought that I was dead, didn't you? Because that's what you were thinking when you thought that I thought that I was dead in the thinking process, but you were wrong, and I'm speaking in this outrageous British accent. And now it's time to die, Capone. Let's settle this the old-fashioned way, shall we? Tina! Challenge! Let's do this the old Navy way, shall we? First one to die loses. Distraction!
By the power of Elder.
Boy, Capone, I'm still here for you. Black Brook. Are you in Massachusetts?
Love will keep us together. Think of me, baby, whenever some sweet talking girl comes along, singing a song. Don't mess around, just gotta be strong, just stop. 'Cause
It's time. Get your drunk butt up.
I've been waiting for this for a long time, Elliot. For all those years it took me to not return.
Not nearly as much as I took from your dicks.
Get ready to go.
How would you like to settle this?
But now,
Let's do You just missed jail again, Capone. I'm not paying rent at Boardwalk. See, the one is the...
You found my secret, Capone. Nobody could have chased after you as hard as I did. Unless they didn't have the heart. I got my revenge.
Oh, deeper, deeper. Hello? Oh, you don't mean to say so. Dear God. Holy Jesus. AIDS isn't working. Ah! At least we still have syphilis. Eat it.
I can't see.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily races, going nowhere, going nowhere. Their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow.